Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, January 17th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I had a lady leave two comments on two separate YouTube videos of mine today asking what the quickest way was to rank up to bronze. All right, I guess she signed up about a week ago. She's not very familiar with marketing and recruiting people, so she asked my thoughts on it, and I thought I'd make a video to help everybody out who maybe is in the same situation. In my opinion, and this is just my opinion, I know there's different ways to go about marketing and whatnot, but the fastest way that I see people ranking up is simply by signing up a spouse, an adult child, a friend, somebody that they really know, okay? So I would recommend sharing this opportunity with your husband, your wife, an adult child, a friend that you might know who is into health and wellness. You can definitely share the products with these people. I'm actually drinking the Super Greens right now. You can share this with people that you know who might be looking to supplement their income or might be in a tough financial situation right now. And that would be my advice. I mean, I believe that's the quickest way if you don't have any marketing experience to go out there and get two people, all right? Because that's what bronze is. You just need to refer two people, and then that opens up a whole nother level in your matrix, and just you have the potential to make more money when you rank up to bronze, okay? So another thing that you can do, you can go into Facebook, all right, and you can go to your friends list, go down through your friends, and pick out people that you know, okay? And a lot of people, you might know everybody on your face list, but when you get up into thousands of people, like I have several thousand people on my Facebook. I don't personally know each and every one of them, but I do know that they're, probably in the marketing industry or they're entrepreneurs or something like that. So I pick and choose who I write to. But if you have a smaller friends list, closer people that you know, just reach out to the people that, might be looking for products that you have or might be looking for a way to make more money, okay? And all you have to do is write something like, hey, and put their name. You can put, something like, I hope the new year is treating you well. I have come across this brand new network marketing company, and immediately thought of you. And then you want to ask them, would you be willing to watch a 5-minute video and give me your thoughts? Something like that. I mean, you can make this whatever you want to. All right, and then you just send that to them. You want to keep it short, but you want to be nice and you don't want to sound spammy or like you're desperate, right? So you just say, hey, Joe, I hope the new year is treating you well. I've come across this brand new network marketing company and immediately thought of you. Would you be willing to watch a 5-minute video and give me your thoughts? All right, you could write whatever you want to, but just keep it short and simple. And then if they reply back with a yes, then you just send them your page, all right? You send them your Powerline page. They can go and watch this 5-minute video, and if that's something that piques their interest, they can sign up and enroll for free. It says there's no cost to reserve your free position, and you can opt out anytime. So, I mean, that's what I recommend doing if you're not familiar with ways to reach out to people or you don't have a whole network of people to reach out to. Definitely start with a spouse, though, or a partner. And, maybe, like I said, if you have adult children or close family that you know that might benefit from these products or the business side of this, okay? I mean, I absolutely love these products, so I'm pushing right now the business side of this, throwing in a few review videos of the products, but I'm going to be doing some off-marketing for just the products themselves because I really love the products, and I'm going to do some more videos on how to get this in front of eyeballs, all right, and doing it without spamming people and without getting in trouble from the company, all right, because you don't want to just send people your link, which I've done that before. I'm guilty of it myself, but that's not the proper way to market, okay? So, yeah, that's it for this video. I mean, just start out, try to get two people that you know signed up right away. It's really good to get a spouse under here. or a child, especially if you know about this company and you see the potential that this company has, okay? I mean, I just heard today that we're up to about 9,000 members who have signed up, and this just launched globally about a month ago, so we have about 9,000 paying members who have signed up. And I know I say it in all my videos, but the founder and CEO, Ben Glinsky, is predicting that we'll have over 1 million people in this company by the end of the year. So if they're interested in learning more information about this, or they respond back with a yes for the video, just send them the video, follow up with them, and explain to them what's going on, what the vision is for this company, and how you think it's going to be around for a long time. And there's a huge potential to make a lot of money with it. So that's just my idea. Leave it. If you don't agree with this or you agree with it, leave it down in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your feedback. I'm open to learning stuff myself. I've been doing this a long time, but I'm certainly don't know everything. All right. So if you find any value in my videos, please consider giving them a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.